Okay, welcome to this first tutorial of Aspen Plus. In this tutorial I will show you how to select a proper template and how to change the unit set so it will fit your needs. When you start Aspen you will have a screen like this, and it will be somewhat different from the version on the university, since this is a newer one, but it will be about the same. And what's important is that you select the template uh, that's called chemicals with metric units. We also have chemicals with English units, but as you can see, you have these very weird units which you don't are very common with. So it's more convenient to select the chemicals with metric units, and you can see these are quite common units to you. In my case, I don't think this one is very convenient for me, because in chemical engineering most of the time we speak in kilowatts or megawatts, but I will show you how to change this later on. In this template also the property method is already selected in RTL, and the property method is the way in which the program calculates everything, so it's quite important. But in this tutorial I won't tell you which property method to select for a specific purpose, because that's not important in this tutorial. So we just select this template, and now the program will start. And this will take a minute, I guess. I hope less. Yeah, and we'll in this case, in this new version, it will directly go to the screen, but in the older version you will first get this white screen and probably without this sidebar, but that doesn't really matter. What you have to do is go to setup, and there is an icon in the top of the older version that says setup, and I will go here and I will go to setup here, and that's exactly the same. And you go to unit sets here, and these are all the unit sets, so you can see what the unit sets are. And we've already selected this one, MetChem, in by choosing our template. You can see it here, global unit set MetChem. But as I earlier said, the energy flow was in gigacalorie per hour, and I don't really like that, so I want to set that to something like megawatts or kilowatts, and that's what you can do here. You can select the MetChem and you can change it, but in this case I just first clicked Met C bar. You can change it here, but you can't change it here, and that's because this is a standard unit set. So what you have to do is go to unit sets, the folder, create a new one, for instance new one, and you can see you've made a new unit set, and you can copy all the units from an older one, like the MetChem, and so it's now the same as the MetChem, but we can change the enthalpy flow from gigacalories per hour to watt, megawatt, or kilowatt. And depending on what system you have to choose one, but you can always change it later on. So now you have made this new unit set with the enthalpy flow in kilowatts, and you can select your new unit set here, and so all the units that will be displayed in the results will have these units, and also all the units in the input will also have these same units. Okay, this was the first tutorial. In the second tutorial I will show you how to input the components you use, and also how to make a flow sheet of your process.